Hello class 9. Today we will continue with chapter 7 joint stock company. So last time we studied the meaning of joint stock company and features. Today we are going to study the meaning of one person company and its features. So one person company means as a name suggests, according to the Companies Act 2013, it allows to form a company by only one person, and here the sole member, he must nominate someone else to take charge in case of his death or disability. So the nominee's written consent must be filed with the registrars of companies. So they have some main features of one person company. They are, it is a form of a private company. So one person company, it is a form of a private company, and it has a legal entity separate from its member. So member, they are not be held liable for the personal property of a company. Third is, the liability of the member is limited to the amount of capital contributed by him. So whatever amount of capital they have contributed, the liability of the member will be limited to the amount only. Then fourth one is the liability of the one person company. It becomes unlimited if their activity is going in a illegal manner or malified manner. Fifth is, an OPC may be managed by the owner or his representative. So it is OPC company, it is managed by the owner, or he can represent someone to manage the company. Then OPC will get its annual account. Then sixth one is that OPC, they get their account audited, and they used to file a copy of the same with the registrar companies. And G1 is a minimum share capital may be prescribed for an OPC. So they have a minimum share capital which is contributed by the partner. And every OPC shall have at least one director. They should have at least one director, and the person shall have to indicate the name of the person who, in the event of the subscriber death, disability, etc., become the member of the company. So the person, he have to indicate the name of the other person who will run the business after the death or disability of a person. So these were the features, and now we have completed chapter 7 joint stock company. So according to syllabus, we have finished the chapter, and from next we will start new chapter.